So I have this back together, and it's working. I mean, it's running. Okay, I did the setups, limit switches, zeroed things out, found my home, and I ran a part. Now, one of you had suggested a circle, and I agreed 100%. We used to do that in robot days to make sure the trajectories were working out right with the mathematics. So I put in a 14 millimeter circle, which is interesting because it's just about exactly 14 millimeters in this off the center. But the challenge I'm finding is and of course I have 3D printing, so I know these things. But you can see this upper corner right here is square-ish, square-ish. And if you know we're going this way in Z, I mean X, and then we do some Y, and then we do some Z, and then we do some Y, and then we do some more Z, that this is the change of direction from coming down this way to now going back this way. And this one here is also a change of direction because we've been coming this way, now we're going to go that way. So this slop in that gear, or the screw on the drive, is going to show up in these two corners. And this corner here clearly is square, more square, I'll put it that way. And this one has a little hiccup in it. You can just see it's got a little bump or something there. Yeah, maybe it's not as noticeable, but the one on the other side certainly is. Okay, so, and that's a small circle. You can see how much material I have. So I'm going to make it a bigger circle, try to keep it on the center. And I'm learning how to do all this stuff. It's so fun. So I'm going to make it a bigger circle and rerun it and see what I get. But I'll warn you, this thing is still got the hops. There's a noise in my drive. Every once in a while I hear it. It's almost a grinding noise. Now I had to put 3 washers on this side, and I could not put a lock nut on this side. I had to put roller bearings because of the spacing. This thing is just a tad too short. But everything seems to be okay. It's working nicely. The bearing is doing well. But my gear inside is not. Now I have some other things I just happen to be rooting around, finding in my drawers of shame, which is where I've ordered something. I don't know if I can use it or not, so I put it in that drawer. Might have found something that I can use actually, that will solve this backlash problem. But let's get through this test, verify what we have and don't have. I'll post this and get back to you in a few minutes. I'm going to run a bigger circle, and that should extenuate the problems that we're seeing. Okay, later.